Welcome! This video will show you how to find your invoices at monsterhouse.com. Invoices are created when a payment is taken for the service or services you have purchased. This can be either monthly or yearly, depending on the renew option selected. To find your invoices, first navigate to the client area. Enter your email address and password to sign into your account. You'll be directed to the client dashboard. Here there are 4 options within the boxes. Select the 4th box called Invoices. From here you can view all invoices since the creation of your account. There's also some information given, such as the invoice number, the date of their creation, the due date to see when you have to pay your invoice at the latest, the total amount of the invoices, and the status to see if it's paid, unpaid or cancelled. On the left you have an overview of all statuses of your invoices. Under Billing you can access other options like My Quotes, Manage or add a credit card, and add funds. To pay your invoice, select one and click on Unpaid. You'll see your invoice with all details and information. Under Payment Method you can choose the way you want to pay. The invoice will adapt to every payment method that you choose. I'll choose cryptocurrencies. To go on, click on the Pay Now button. Here there are all available crypto coins you can pay with. Under More Currencies, you can view about 40 different types. Now select your preferred crypto coin, scroll down and click on the Pay button. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.